If you're looking for domestic garage door specialists who offer an efficient, reliable and high-quality service, look no further. Garage Door Services in Fife pride ourselves in not only meeting expectations but also exceeding them. Whether you require an entirely new garage door or just need repairs to your existing door, we provide a service of unrivaled quality. We can install up and over doors, sectional doors, side sectional, insulated, roller, automated garage doors and more. We regularly receive word-of-mouth recommendations to work throughout the whole of Scotland. We have almost 40 years' experience in the industry and strive to provide you with the finest service possible. We can repair any make or model of garage door for your peace of mind. We'll be happy to provide you with a free estimate or advice on all your garage door needs. Call us now to discuss your requirements.